Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I would like to start by apologizing for the angle that we're at and the sound of the AC. It's hot, okay? I need it on or I'm gonna sweat all the makeup that we're gonna do off. But anyways, today I'm going to give you guys a little makeup tutorial for back to school, you know, since that's in season, unfortunately. By the way, this tutorial is 100% beginner friendly because why not? Let's get started. I threw my hair back so y'all can see everything that I'm doing. But first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna moisturize your face. You can use Vaseline, you can use lotion, you can use whatever, or you could use primer. Today I'm gonna use primer. I'm gonna use this NYX Marshmallow Primer. Yeah, this creates like a, we're gonna pretend that didn't happen, but this, as I was saying, this creates like a barrier from your face and your makeup. It's just better for your skin. So I just apply that all over my face and rub it in. Wow, I put way too much. Don't put as much as I did, as you can see. But make sure you guys have some napkins or something near you, because as you can see, I just did that. So make sure you have something by you so you can just wipe it off. But like I said, you just rub this into your whole face. I'm gonna do that and then I'll be right back. Stuff kind of does leave a white cast on me, but the foundation will even that out, so don't worry about now that I look paler. We're gonna move on to eyebrows now. When I started doing makeup, eyebrows was like the hardest thing for me to figure out. Like, I could not do it to save my life, and I still can't. So what I use is this Ulta Beauty, oh my gosh, you cannot see that because it's clear, I'm so sorry, but it's the Ulta Beauty eyebrow gel. It's clear. So I'm gonna take something and brush up my eyebrows first, like this, and to the other one. And then I'm gonna take the eyebrow gel and I'm going to just apply that on my eyebrows like this. Yep. And then I shape them like that. And you can wipe off the excess gel off your forehead. And I'm gonna do this side as well. Alright, this is what it looks like after I apply the gel. Now I'm gonna take a Q-tip and clean up the excess. You see, I'm just cleaning it up. This one needs to be cleaned up a lot. I'm gonna do this and then I'm gonna show you guys what's next. So we're gonna let that dry up a bit. But the next step, you don't have to do this part if you don't want to, but this is, we're gonna do foundation next. We're gonna do not too much because again, we don't want to be too cakey and then all the makeup is running off by the end of the day. I'm just gonna apply like a little bit to each side, and a little bit goes a long way, okay? So don't put too much. And then on my head, right there, okay? And then I'm gonna take a beauty blender, and you can wet this with water, or you can do what I do. I'm gonna take this Maybelline or Glass Spray setting spray, and I'm just gonna spray it, and that's how I wet my beauty blender. So yeah, you know, you're just gonna blend that out, and we'll move on to the next step once I'm done with that. By the way, you can also blend down into your chin and into your neck, just in case, like, I don't know, you want to, or your color doesn't match too well. Now that we have blended everything out, that's it for foundation. I don't know if I said this before, but I used the foundation Zoeva in the shade 360 and Original. Next thing I'm going to do is concealer. This is also not a really necessary step for school, but I'm going to show you guys. I use the Pro Concealer by LA Girl. You can see, I just take some of this and put a little bit of it under my eyes. Will come out. Yeah, I just put a little under my eyes just to conceal my eye bags. like this. Just do what I do. you can see it's like a little triangle, and then I put some right here in the creases of my nose, like this. Like that. I just apply it right there, and I'm going to take that same beauty blender. I'm just going to use the bottom this time because I don't know what the difference is. And some people wait for it to dry, but I don't really do that. I just immediately start blending it out. And again, I'm going to do this off camera because it looks a little weird, but yeah, you blend it out and blend it up. And this part of the concealer, you're going to make your lips go like this. And then you're gonna just push it in and then bring it out. Oh, push it in and bring it out. Like this. And so for this part in the middle of your forehead, you're gonna pat it in and bring it upwards. Like this. You just pat, don't rub it in your face, pat it. Wow, my knuckles are ashy. Ew. Okay, but yeah. Just like that. And then, there we go. Now we can move on to the next. Now we're gonna move on to contouring. For this part, I only contour my nose. I don't contour my face for school because I just feel like, I don't know, why do I need to? So for contour, I'm gonna use this Fenty Beauty contour stick. You can use any, but this is the one I'm gonna use. And I'm going to use this brush. Where's the brush go? I'm gonna use this brush, and listen, I know it's not a contour brush, but if it works, it works. So who cares? Take it, and I take my brush and I like rub it on there, and then I first go down to about here, and I blend that up like upwards into my eyelid like that. And then I'm gonna blend it out more because it's a bit harsh. I put too much again. And then we're gonna do the same thing for the other side. So I'm just dipping it in there, and then this time let's put a little less. And I'm just gonna go like that and blend up and over my eyelid like that. We're gonna put a little more so it at least matches this side. See, like that, like so, like that, and you blend down here to the little, I don't know what it's called, this part of your nose, but the tip of your nose actually, and you're gonna blend underneath it as well, so make it like a circle, so like it connects from here down to this part of your nose. Yeah, this is actually like the first YouTube video that I'm doing that I don't feel like super awkward making. I don't know if it's because I'm just sitting here talking and doing my makeup, or if it's because I'm not in public or I'm alone. I don't know, but it's just, this feels more natural, you know? So I think I found my calling. Oh, I forgot to mention that you're also gonna make from like starting like where the tip of your nose starts, you're gonna make like a line, so it's kind of like a circle at this part, like that. So yeah, then as you can see, we have a contoured nose. Okay, so we're gonna close this up, and now we're gonna move on to the next part. It's not necessary, but I've recently discovered it and I kind of like doing it. So I take this contour again, and I'm just gonna add a little teensy bit to my tip of my nose like that, and then to the bridge, just so that I could, you can clearly see where your nose, like, I don't know how to describe it. This part is completely not necessary. Don't do it if you don't want to, but it's just like you can see the thing. Like where your nose snatches. You know what I'm saying. You know what I'm saying. Okay, don't do it if you don't want to do it. If you want to do it, then you basically just knock the camera. So hopefully this doesn't look stupid now. But then I'm gonna take one of these little like small itty bitty brushes, sponges, and then I just pat it out. You don't have to do it too much. I just pat it out nice and gently. I kind of messed up on that part, but it's whatever. Just gonna pat it out. These sponges actually work very well, even though they're like really cheap. They work wonders, okay? I'm gonna show you what I mean, like what it looks like when it's all blended out. You can just use your fingers to pat it out, or you can use that, whatever you want. But we are now going to move on to the next part. We are almost done, guys. Just bear with me. We're almost done, okay? The next step that I'm going to do is mascara. I'm using this Maybelline New York, the Falsies Volume Express, and this is mascara that I'm going to use. Just take that and you just apply it to your eyelashes. This takes a lot of effort for me because, as you can see, I have baby eyelashes, so it's a bit harder to do. I'm going to do this part, and then again I'll be back again. So this is what it looks like. I don't put mascara on my bottom lashes because they're too short, and I've honestly given up on trying to do that. Now on to the next part. Now again, this next part is totally not necessary. You don't have to do it, but I'm gonna take this pencil eyeliner. I'm going to color my waterline black. So this one takes a lot of patience. You be careful, you be slow, okay? Do not poke. If you poke your eye out, honestly, it's not on me, so be careful. And don't do this part if you don't trust yourself. If you don't want to, just don't. So you're gonna take it and you're gonna pull your eyelid. This is kind of hard with nails. Pull your eyelid down and you just fill it in like that. Like this. As you can see the difference. Here's this eye. I'm going to do the other eye. Now we are going to put on Falsies. These are ready to give up on me. So I accidentally cut out when I was filming this one, so you didn't get to hear what I was doing at all. So, here's how I taught myself how to get the eyelash on better than I used to. This is okay. These lashes need to be cut off a bit, but it's okay. I'm gonna take some of this glue. As you can see, this glue has been through a lot. It's a strip lash adhesive by Lash Couture. It won't focus. I've tried every product for this. And then we'll blow it out a little bit. You're taking maybe you will hold it under you so you can like look down like that. And then you're gonna get wait, it's harder with nails on. Okay. You're gonna apply it to the middle of your lash. Or to your eyelash. Okay, just a quick little disclaimer. I put these lashes on horribly. I don't know how I was trying to teach y'all and I could not even do it right. So I'm sorry about this. It looks terrible here. This part is really hard, so especially when I have nails on. So just give me a second. Keep adjusting it to your liking so you get it on right. As you can see, I just need to do this little corner. The camera angle changed again. But I was saying, get it as close to your eyelashes as possible. And then you just squeeze the fake one with your natural one. So take your bottom finger under your natural lashes and the top one over the fake one. And you just squeeze them together. This inner corner is really making me upset. Yeah, the more I was trying to fix it, the more it just messed up. So I ended up giving up on it, honestly. Alright, so this is like the best that I could get them right now for some reason. I don't know if you It's just not working right now. Now, last step, I'm going to take this highlighter right here. I'm just gonna dip my brush in it, not too much, and I blow it. And add some to the tip of my nose and pat it out like that with my finger. And then I'm gonna do the bridge of my nose, pat it in the bridge of my nose, and then pat it with my finger again. And then you put some in the corners of your eyelids, like that, like that. And finally, the last step is you're gonna take some lip gloss or your chapstick and you just smack it on your lips. So now, this is the final look that we came up with. My lashes are not up to their full potential today, but it's okay. So yeah, this is the final look. Yeah, that's it for today's video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up because I would highly appreciate it. And make sure you subscribe to my channel and in the description follow my Instagram and my TikTok. That would be much appreciated as well. And stay tuned because I will be putting out more videos from now on. Thank you for watching. Stay healthy, stay safe. Bye.